everybody, so today I'm going to show you some examples in the homework so that way you can complete the remaining problems on your own based off of the work done here and done in the notes that we have done already. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pick some problems. So this homework is just one page, okay, broken into 3 sections, I believe. Yeah, 3 sections. Okay, cool. So start with the first one. You're going to find the missing side lengths based on the fact that the triangle given is either 45, 45, 90 or 30, 60, 90. And like I always say, like I said in the notes, you want to draw your 2 triangles so that way you can easily look off of that instead of trying to memorize how the sides are. So first, it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So this is 45 degrees. And the sides for 45, 45 are 1, 1, and the square root of 2 for the hypotenuse. And then down here for the 30, 60, 90, obviously these are not drawn to scale. For the 30, 60, 90, and this is the 60 degrees as well, the sides are 1, that's opposite of the 30, the square root of 3, that's opposite of the 60, and 2, that's opposite of the 90 degrees. Okay, so let's say we start with the first one. Actually, no, let's start the second one. Have you guys figure out the first one on your own. So for the second one here, based on the triangle that we have, this 9 is opposite of the 45 degrees, and based on the chart on the right, we know that this side here is going to be 9 as well. And to get the hypotenuse, you're going to take 9 and multiply it by the square root of 2, which is just 9 square root of 2. And that's it. For the numbers 3 and 4, for the 30, 60, 90, again, you're going to use the triangle over here on the right to assist you. But let's do number 4. For number 4, the side opposite of this angle here is 2, and this angle is your 30 degrees. So that's going to be your 2, which means for the hypotenuse, it's 2 times bigger than that side, which is 4. And then this side is just 2 times the square root of 3, which is just 2 radical 3. Okay, so complete problems 1 and 3 using these triangles I wrote over here. For the next 4 problems, for 5 and 6, 7 and 8, you're going to use sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. For 5 and 6, you're given the triangle. For number 6, it looks like you're going to have to find the missing side. So guess what? I'm going to let you do that one. So for number 5, we are going to use sine, cosine, tangent, and it's based off of angle A. So based off of this angle here, which means this side for 9 is going to be your side opposite of the angle. This side, 40, is going to be the adjacent side to the angle, and this is your hypotenuse. So sine of angle A, that is the opposite over hypotenuse, which means it is 9 over 41. Cosine of angle A is your adjacent side over the hypotenuse, and that is 40 over 41. And then for tangent of angle A, that is your opposite over adjacent, and that is 9 over 40. None of these can be simplified, so you are done. All right. Now you need to do cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Cosecant, remember that is the reciprocal of sine, so it's now h over o, which is 41 over 9. For secant of angle A, that is your hypotenuse over the adjacent side, and that's 41 over 40. And then cotangent is your adjacent over opposite of angle A, and that is 40 over 9. So now you can complete number 6 on your own. For number 7 and 8, you do not have a triangle, so you should probably draw your triangle. And then you're going to have to find the missing side, because based on the information here, you only are given 2 sides. And then you will find the remaining 5 trig functions. So I'm going to draw the triangle, and I'm going to pick I'm going to pick one of these angles here to be angle A, and I'm going to pick this one to be angle A. So remember, tangent is opposite over adjacent side. That is your TOA, which means 3 would be over here and 4 would be here. And now you need to use the Pythagorean theorem to find this missing side. So it would be 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, to be lame and generic. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, and c must be 5 because you have to square root both sides. So this is 5. And now you will find your sine, cosine. You already have tangent, and then you'll find cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So we'll have sine of angle A, cosine of angle A, and tangent of angle A, which is already given, 3 over 4. And then sine of angle A, that must be 3 over 5. Cosine is 4 over 5. And then, again, you already had tangent. And then it's cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Okay, and that is the reciprocal of the 3 trig functions to the left. Okay, so use that information to assist you in completing the remaining problems. Okay, if you have any questions, just give us a holler. And yep, all right, good. And make sure you complete that exit ticket.